Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In today's video, we wanna fix an issue in which your screen start flashing or flickering. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first method is to open your settings menu. In settings menu, choose system, scroll down and choose advanced display settings. Now click on display advanced properties for display. Here choose the monitor tab and here in screen refresh rate, if it is more or less, choose 60 Hz. If you have more, then also you should choose only 60 Hz option. Hit apply and OK button. Don't forget to restart your system after this and check if the problem is there or not. If this doesn't work out, the second step is to right click on this start menu and click on the option device manager. In device manager, you need to expand your display adapters. You need to right click on it and choose the option properties. Choose driver tab and here if rollback option is available, choose the option rollback driver. Once your driver is rolled back, go ahead and restart your system to make the changes take place. If rollback driver also doesn't work out, the third method is to update your driver. In order to update, again open this device manager, right click on the driver or hardware you have and choose update driver. Choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and again second option, let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. From here choose your display driver which is Intel HD graphics. Don't choose this one which is basic display adapter. Choose your GPU. Now click on the next button. Now drivers has updated successfully. After that, don't forget to restart your system once you update the drivers. Once you updated and restart your system, your problem must be fully fixed. Now if the problem is still there, the only option is to open your settings menu, choose update and security and click on Windows update option. If any updates are available, you need to click on download and install so that you will make sure that your Windows is up to date. Updating Windows will provide you the latest drivers of your desktop which will fix out your issue. These are the 4 best possible ways to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, don't forget to check your display cable and other adapters, I mean your hardware thing, because the problem is not with the software, it is with the hardware. So that's it about it friends. If you like this tutorial, if this video fix out your issue, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my channel with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.